right, you guys, so you've been watching my videos for a while, and then I come across a smart pump and I have to deal with it. I always like to return that smart pump to factory reset. That gives you a nice clean slate on on where you're dealing with, and you don't know who's been pushing buttons before you. You don't know what power has caused a glitch, and you don't know what happened from the factory. So if you don't know how to do it on a Magna 3, I'm going to show you. I'm going to come in tight here so you can see a little better. We're going to go over to settings. We're going to go down to general. General settings, you click and highlight. We're going to scroll down. Return to factory settings. Click the right arrow button. Do you really want to do it? Yes, we really want to do it. Click yes. Click OK. There we go. It'll take it right back to factory settings. Whether it holds some or not, I don't know, but you literally get prompted right to the beginning again. What language, time, date, everything you need to start with a clean slate. All right, guys, hope that helps. Comment below. Let me know.